Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. High protein cereals, high protein bars, high protein pasta. Have you seen the trend? Everything is high protein. But what about lunch, your meals? Well, if you're losing weight, how much protein should you eat? And does it make any difference? I am Manuel Villacorta, a registered dietitian and weight loss expert with over 20 years of experience. So today I am breaking down why protein matters, especially at lunch. And I'm gonna go over how much you need to be successful in your weight loss journey. I will also showcase 5 recipes that hit the right amount of protein. Now, let's dive in. So here is the sciencey part, but trust me, I'll keep it tasty. Protein is not just for gym bros. It is actually your best friend when it comes to weight loss for everyone. Why? 1. It helps manage ghrelin, the hormone that tells your brain, feed me now. 2. It has a high thermic effect, which means your body burns more calories just digesting it. 3. And this is big, it helps to preserve muscle while you're losing fat. Muscle keeps your metabolism humming. For my clients trying to lose weight, I recommend hitting 30 to 35 grams of protein during their main meals. This has been a game changer because they boost their metabolism, they control hunger, and most important, they see results. And of course, everyone is different, so those protein needs may vary based on your body size, activity, and goals. But that amount of 30 to 35 is a great target. Pro tip, your total protein of the day needs to be spread out throughout the day. The 30 to 35 grams of protein at lunch helps set you up for success for the rest of the day. It's not just about one meal, it's about hitting your total daily protein target by spreading it evenly across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This approach also supports better glucose control. It helps you feel fuller for a longer time. It also prevents crashes, so you are not craving sugars and overeating. Plus, getting 30 to 35 grams of protein at lunch makes it easier to build a satisfying, balanced meal with healthy portions of carbs and fats, while still staying in a calorie deficit. It's a smart way to support weight loss without feeling restricted or deprived. To bring this to life, now let me show you some recipes that I make for my clients and myself. My Mediterranean chicken bowl with farro, providing chicken, chickpeas, farro, and those provide over 30 grams of protein and full of flavor. Shrimp and chicken sausage paella, satisfying, nutrient-dense dish that's light in calories and rich in flavor. Ideal for weight-conscious eating without sacrificing taste. My high-protein pasta with cottage cheese sauce and broccoli. Creamy, cheesy, sneaky protein. You never guess there's over 30 grams of protein here. And of course, my Peruvian favorite, lomo saltado, Peruvian beef stir fry with red or black rice. This delicious dish is made with lean beef and is fiber-rich with grains. This one is my client's favorite as well. And last but not least, my meal replacement smoothie, papaya carrot ginger smoothie. This smoothie not only has over 28 grams of protein, but also can help reduce bloating by helping with digestion. And remember, protein isn't just meat. Cottage cheese, lentils, eggs, Greek yogurt, seafood, tofu, they all are good sources of protein too. If you are truly serious about weight loss, meet the 30 to 35 grams of protein during lunch. It's not about just cutting calories, it's about nourishing your body with something that works. Want more meal ideas? Well, I have you covered. Visit my blog at manuelvillacorta.com and check out all my recipes. Alright, go make some of these recipes and tag me if you make one. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you're making recipes that are meeting your 30 to 35 grams of protein and feeling satisfied. Thank you for watching, and remember, always stop dieting, start living.